Passing score, get at least 23 points. To get 76.7%.
Studio.
One. Which of the following is the primary reason why scientists repeat measurements they take during experiments? A. To list all the results in a table. B. To estimate experimental error. C. To check if the equipment is working. D. To change the experimental conditions. Correct answer. Letter B. 2. When scientists investigate, it is said that they follow the scientific method. How will you logically arrange the essential steps in the scientific method? 1. Make a hypothesis. 2. Recognize the problem. 3. Formulate the simplest generalization. 4. Perform experiments to test the prediction. 5. Predict the consequences of the hypothesis. A 1, 4, 2, 3, and 5. B 2, 1, 5, 4, and 3. C 2, 5, 1, 3, and 4. D 3, 2, 1, 4, and 5. Correct answer. Letter B. 3. Which of the following factors contribute to greenhouse effect? A. Destruction of the forests. B. Use of carbon dioxide by land plants. C. Depletion of minerals in the soil by overfarming. D. Use of solar glass panels to capture radiant energy. Correct answer. Letter A. 4. All interacting units of matter tends to move toward a state in which energy content is a minimum, and the energy distribution is most random. In the process of attaining this state, energy matter and energy matter transformations occur. This scheme is governed by all of the following concepts except A. Conservation, B. Equilibrium, C. Homeostasis, D. Isostasy. Correct answer. Letter D. 5. Matter exists in the form of units which can be classified in hierarchies, or organizational levels. Which of the following units show a correct hierarchical organization? A. Atom, molecule, element, compound, mixture. B. Cell, tissue, organ, system, organism. C. Solids, liquids, gases, plasma. D. Protons, neutrons, electrons, ion. Correct answer. Letter B. 6. Which of the following statements is not true of energy in the biosphere? A. Energy flows a one-way path. B. Energy is conserved in the biosphere. C. Energy follows a cycle through the web of life. D. Energy leaves the living system in the form of heat. Correct answer. Letter C. 7. Electrical energy is used to power a light bulb. How does the amount of electrical energy used to compare to the amount of light energy produced? A. Less than the amount of light energy produced. B. More than the amount of light energy produced. C. The same as the amount of light energy produced. D. Depends on the wattage produced by the light bulb. Correct answer. Letter B. 8. The following statements are ideas about the environment. Which one is false? A. Clear water is clean water. B. Plants help clean the air of harmful gases. C. It takes millions of years for crude oil to form. D. Fire can sometimes start by itself in a big pile of decaying garbage. Correct answer. Letter A. 9. Ultrasound is often used by medical workers to obtain features of internal body parts. Infrasound, on the other hand, is commonly used in A. Monitoring conditions in pregnant women. B. Detecting harmful living tissues inside the body. C. Seismographic surveying of structures below the Earth's surface. D. Providing moving pictures of tidal waves and earthquakes. Correct answer. Letter C. 10. A 12 cm red-hot steel bar is placed into a pan of boiling water. Which statement correctly explains the resulting heat transfer? A. Heat flow out of the kettle to the cooler surrounding air. B. Heat flow from the water to the steel bar because boiling water has more thermal energy. C. Heat flows from the water to the steel bar since the water molecules have higher average kinetic energy. D. Heat flows from the water to the steel bar since the steel bar is at a higher temperature. Correct answer. Letter A. 11. Which of the following acid groups is found in vinegar? A. Nitric acid. B. Acetic acid. C. Formic acid. D. Ascorbic acid. Correct answer. Letter B. 12. Which of the following forms of energy travels through empty space? A. Chemical energy. B. Radiant energy. C. Sound energy. D. All of them. Correct answer. Letter B. 13. Why do we see the sun rise in the east and set of the west? A. The earth rotates from west to east. B. The earth revolves counterclockwise. C. The earth revolves from west to east. D. The sun rotates in a clockwise manner. Correct answer. Letter C. 14. All of the following are physical properties except A. Sugar dissolves in water. B. Water evaporates from an open container. C. Mothballs sublime at room temperature. D. Butter turns rancid when left unrefrigerated. Correct answer. Letter D. 15. Colloids may be dispersed in a gas, liquid, or solid. Which of the following colloidal systems show a liquid dispersed in a gas medium? A. Clouds. B. Smoke. C. Paint. D. Beaten egg white. Correct answer. Letter A. 16. Which blood transfusion would agglutinate blood? A. A donor to recipient. B. A donor to O recipient. C. A donor to AB recipient. D. O donor to AB recipient. Correct answer. Letter B. 17. All of the following composed a male reproductive organ of a flowering plant, except A. Anther. B. Pollen grain. C. Stigma. D. Stamen. Correct answer. Letter C. 18. Angiosperms are also known as A. Cone-bearing. B. Flower-bearing. C. Seed-bearing. D. Spore-bearing. Correct answer. Letter B. 19. Tropical rainforests have many trees and other plants that photosynthesize. What happens when huge areas of tropical rainforests are destroyed? A. Oxygen level increases and carbon dioxide level increases. B. Oxygen level increases and carbon dioxide level decreases. C. Oxygen level decreases and carbon dioxide level increases. D. Oxygen level decreases and carbon dioxide level decreases. Correct answer. Letter D. 20. How is the conservation of mechanical energy described in a falling object? A. A falling object loses kinetic energy and gains potential energy. B. A falling object loses kinetic energy and loses potential energy. C. A falling object gains kinetic energy and loses potential energy. D. A falling object loses kinetic energy and loses potential energy. Correct answer. Letter C. 21. Which property of light accounts for the phenomenon of color? A. Wavelength. B. Amplitude. C. Velocity. D. Intensity. Correct answer. Letter A. 22. In which rock layers are remains of aquatic organisms most commonly found? A. Igneous. B. Sedimentary. C. Metamorphic. D. Intrusive. Correct answer. Letter D. 23. Nights are cooler when the sky is clear than when it is overcast. Why is this so? A. The sun is hidden from us at night. B. Cooler air can hold less water vapor. C. Rain falls when water vapor condenses above freezing point. D. Heat from the lower atmosphere easily escapes when there is no cloud cover. Correct answer. Letter D. 24. Two air masses have the same relative humidity. Which of the following can also be said about them? A. They have the same volume. B. They have the same temperature. C. Both have rain clouds. D. None of them. Correct answer. Letter D. 25. Which of the following phrases best describes adaptation of organisms? A. Thick covering to conserve water. B. Fast movements to escape its enemies. C. Blending of color so that it cannot be easily seen by its enemies. D. Structure or behavior of an organism to help it survive in its environment. Correct answer. Letter C. 26. At what stages in its life cycle is a butterfly most active? A. Egg and larva. B. Pupa and adult. C. Larva and adult. D. Adult and egg. Correct answer. Letter B. 27. What type of solar radiation is effectively absorbed by the ozone layer of the Earth's atmosphere? A. Infrared. B. Ultraviolet. C. Gamma. D. X-ray. Correct answer. Letter C. 28. We wear light clothes, especially during summer because white. A. Absorbs heat. B. Disperses heat. C. Reflects heat. D. Refracts heat. Correct answer. Letter A. 29. Objects are visible because of the light they A. Reflect. B. Absorb. C. Diffuse. D. Refract. Correct answer. Letter B. 30. It makes blue litmus paper turn red. A. Salt. B. Acid. C. Base. D. Water. Correct answer. Letter C. 'Thanks for watching. Please do support me to my content. Pa Soc-sci subscribe button.